So I'm going to go to my plus character button, the blank option, and press paint. Now I can create my minion in the paint feature here. So I'm going to select the circle tool and yellow, and I'm going to create a yellow circle first of all. I'm going to fill that so it's a bit easier for you to see. So that's going to be the head. Then I want to create the body using the rectangle tool. So I'm going to try to line that up as close as I can. And fill that. That looks pretty good. Next, what I want to do is create the shorts. So I'm going to use the blue, again the rectangle tool, and see if I can make it almost the same size. Fantastic. Close enough. Great. Now what I'm going to do is create the eyes. So again, to the circle tool, I'm going to select grey. I'm going to select a thicker brush first of all, because the first circle thing is almost like their glasses, isn't it? I'm going to go back to my thinner tool, select white, and do a smaller circle, and fill that. And then I'm going to create a smaller brown circle, like that. Fill that, and then a tiny black circle. Oh, press the circle button. There we go. So let's put all that together. Oh, select the arrow button to move. That's going to be the glasses. This is going to be the eye. This is going to be the brown pupil. And then what I'm going to do is put the black pupil in there. So I can move that a bit. Let's try and move it again. Fantastic. Right, now let's zoom out a little bit. Put the shorts on. We now want some feet, which are basically black circles. So let's fill that. I'm going to duplicate that using the duplicate button. Put them in line. Fantastic. Now let's zoom in a little bit. The free draw line, we've got our black selected. Let's have a little smile. Okay, press the tick button, and there, I'll put it on full screen so you can see, is our minion, and that looks pretty good. Now you've drawn your character. To make this Minions and Group Despicable Me game, click on the video now.